Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to add FlexiFunnels purchase details in Google Sheets. So I'm running an online marketing business and now I'm managing all my sales through FlexiFunnels. Now what I want to do is that automatically I want to keep the record of all my sales and purchase in my Google Sheet. So here for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply build a connection between FlexiFunnels and Google Sheets. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new sales or a new purchase through FlexiFunnel for my product, then automatically by using the detail of that purchase, I will add all the details in my Google Sheet. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can add FlexiFunnels purchase details in Google Sheets. So as the owner of an online marketing business, I use FlexiFunnels to manage my sales funnels and customer data. And by adding FlexiFunnels purchase details directly into Google Sheets, I can easily track customer purchases, analyze trends, and update my financial records in real time. So this integration will help me to stay organized, automate reporting, and make informed decisions to improve my marketing strategies and grow my business efficiently. So here what I want to do is I want to connect FlexiFunnels with Google Sheet in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new purchase or a new sale through my FlexiFunnel account, then automatically I want to add the detail of that purchase in my Google Sheet. So here for doing this automatically and for setting up this automation, I need to use Pabbly Connect. And with the help of Pabbly Connect, I can connect FlexiFunnels and Google Sheets together without any coding and programming skills. So here with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new purchase from FlexiFunnel, then automatically the detail of that purchase will get added in my Google Sheet. So here for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add FlexiFunnels purchase details in Google Sheets. Now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab I'm going to find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And I'm going to use this particular folder of automation. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to click on create. And here it will take us to this most important window of our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here what I need to do is I need to first set up my trigger, and here for setting up my trigger, I need to search for my trigger application. So here in my trigger application, I'm going to use FlexiFunnel, and here I'm going to select FlexiFunnels. Now I have to give my trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new purchase is going to be my trigger event. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to connect FlexiFunnels with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And for that, I'm going to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between FlexiFunnels and Pabbly Connect. And with the help of this webhook URL, I'm going to get all the detail of my purchase that I'm going to get through FlexiFunnel here in Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to copy this webhook URL. Now I need to take you to my FlexiFunnel account. And here in FlexiFunnel, I can see I have all these products. Now I can set up my webhook inside one of these products and I can connect that with Pabbly Connect. And as I'm going to connect that with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to get the response of all the purchases that I'm going to get through FlexiFunnel for that particular product in Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to use this particular product of PHP programming. So I'm going to open this. And here in my product, I have this particular option of set rules. So I'm going to open that. And here I need to set my product rules. So I'm going to click on this set product rules button. And now I have all these options. So first I have to select when. So this when is going to be like my trigger. So whenever a product is going to get purchased, then this trigger will work. So here I've selected product is purchased. Now I'm going to select the use. So I'm going to open this tab of use. And here I'm going to use webhook for sending the data of the purchase to Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select that. And now first I have to give my webhook name. So I'm going to name it as Pabbly Connect. And now I have this tab of webhook URL. So here in this tab, I need to add the webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to click on save. And here I've successfully set my product rule and I've connected my product with Pabbly Connect. Now that as I have set up my product rule, I'm going to get all the detail of my purchase that I'm going to receive for this particular product from FlexiFunnel to Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. And now for getting this webhook response, I need to create a new sale of my product in FlexiFunnel. And as I'm going to create that purchase or that sale, I'm going to get that response here in Pabbly Connect. Now for creating a new sale or a new purchase, I'm going to take you to my sales page of PHP programming. And here, this is my FlexiFunnel sales page. Now I'm going to buy this product. So I'm going to click on buy now. And now I have all these tabs. So here I have to fill all these details to create a new purchase. And here I have to fill all my customer detail. So I'm going to fill dummy customer detail here and I'm going to create a new purchase. So here I have to give the first name. So my first name is going to be demo. Last name is going to be user. Email will be demouser@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number. Now I'm going to give the address that is going to be Old Street. Also, I'm going to give the city that will be Bhopal. I'm going to give the state. So my state will be Madhya Pradesh. And now I'm going to give a random zip code. And I need to select my country that is going to be India. Now I have selected my country. Now I need to make the purchase by filling out my card details. So I'm going to fill a random card detail here. And this is a test card number. I'm going to give a random expiry date, random CVC and a random zip code. Now that I have filled all the required details and I have filled all the dummy detail of my customer, now I'm going to make the purchase and I'm going to click on this complete order button. Now here we can see that I have created this new purchase and this new sale and I have created this purchase for my product in FlexiFunnel. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of my new purchase that I've just created and I have received all the detail of my customer here in this response. So here I have all these details, like I have the random zip code, I have the state that is Madhya Pradesh, I have my product title that is PHP programming, I have my product ID, I have the price that is 550 rupees, I have the random phone number of my customer, I have the first name that is demo, I have the last name that is user. Also I have the email address that is demouser@pabblytudes.com. I have the date and time of the purchase, I have the currency that is Indian rupees, I have the country that is IN, which is the country code of India. I have my city that is Bhopal and I have the address that is Old Street. So here we can see that these were all the details of my customer who has made the purchase in FlexiFunnel for my product. And as I've created a new purchase, then automatically I've received that response here in Pabbly Connect. Now here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received all these details of my purchase. Now what I want to do is I want to use all these details of my purchase and automatically by using these details, I want to add the detail of this purchase in my Google Sheet. So here I want to do this automatically and for that I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab and here I need to search for my action application that is going to be Google Sheets and I'm going to select Google Sheets here. Now I'm going to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And add new row is going to be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I need to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on Connect. I'm going to click on Add New Connection. And I'm going to click on Sign in with Google. So I'm going to do that. Now here I need to click on Allow to give access to my account. So I'm going to do that. And here I have successfully connected Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Now first I need to select my spreadsheet where I want to add all my data. So for selecting my spreadsheet, I need to take you to my Google Sheet account. And in my Google Sheet, I'm going to use this particular spreadsheet of FlexiFunnels sales, which is for PHP programming. So this was the name of my product. And this is my spreadsheet for my product sale. So in this spreadsheet, we can see I have all these columns. So here in these columns, I need to add all the detail of my purchase. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I need to select my spreadsheet. And for that, I need to open this tab. And here in this tab, I'm going to find all the spreadsheets that I have in my Google Sheet account. And in this, I'm going to use this particular spreadsheet of FlexiFunnels sales, which is for PHP programming. So I'm going to select that. And as I've selected my spreadsheet, we can see all the details have changed according to my spreadsheet. Now these were all the columns that I had in my spreadsheet, and now in these columns, I need to add all the detail of my purchase that I've received through FlexiFunnel. So here what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use my response of FlexiFunnel, and from that response, I'm going to get all the detail of my customer, and I'm going to map those details here in these tabs. So for that, I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I'm going to open this response of FlexiFunnels. And here I need to map the first name of my customer. So this is the first name, so I'm going to map that. Similarly, I'm going to map the last name. So I need to click here. I'm going to open the response of FlexiFunnels. And here, this is the last name of my customer. So I'm going to map that. Now I'm going to give the email address. Also, I'm going to map the phone number. And now I'm going to map the address. I have to give the city. I'm going to give the state. Now I'm going to give the zip code and my country code. Now here we can see I filled all the required details and all the detail of my customer and my purchase. Now that as I filled all these details and I have mapped these details here, so I have made all these details dynamic. Now what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new response of a purchase from my FlexiFunnel account, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here will get replaced with the new purchase detail in the real time. And every time I'm going to receive a new purchase from FlexiFunnel, then automatically I'm going to add the detail of that purchase in my Google Sheet. So here I filled all the required details. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have added all the detail of my FlexiFunnel purchase in my Google Sheet. So here to check whether I have added these details or not, let me take you to Google Sheet. And here this is my spreadsheet of FlexiFunnels sales PHP programming. And in this we can see I have added this new row. So in this new row, I have the first name of my customer, that is demo. I have the last name, that is user. I have the email, that is demouser@pabblytudes.com. I have the random phone number. I have the address, that is Old Street. I have the city, that is Bhopal. Also I have the state, that is Madhya Pradesh. I have the random zip code, and I have my country code, that is IN. So here we can see that these were all the detail of my purchase that I've created in FlexiFunnel. And as I've created that purchase for my product in FlexiFunnel, then automatically I've added the detail of that purchase here in Google Sheet. So here I've done this automatically by setting up this automation between FlexiFunnels and Google Sheets. And I've done this with the help of Pabbly Connect. So here with Pabbly Connect, I have successfully set up this automation and this connection between FlexiFunnels and Google Sheet. And now with this automation, whenever I'm going to receive a new purchase of my product from FlexiFunnels, then automatically it will add the detail of that purchase in my Google Sheet. So here my connection and my automation is working successfully. And now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here with Pabbly Connect, I have connected FlexiFunnels with Google Sheets to automatically add FlexiFunnels purchase details in Google Sheets. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was FlexiFunnels, and my trigger event was new purchase. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was Google Sheets, and my action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow.
And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.